From huge infrastructure projects to smartphone sales and tourism, China's investment in Africa is rising at a staggering pace. In December last year, President Xi Jinping announced an unprecedented $60 billion financial package for Africa at the Johannesburg Summit for China-African cooperation. Using the money wisely is a major focus for both sides.
The
development strategies and advantages of China and African countries are mutually supplementary. This provides historic opportunities for our cooperation. China hopes to push forward the implementation of the financial package and deliver tangible results for Africa's development.
On Friday, more than 100 ministerial-level officials from 53 African countries gathered in Beijing to coordinate implementation.
The African side has lots of resources and has a growing market and needs technology expertise. And the Chinese side had this technology, has expertise, and also importantly has the political will.
We need to have, apart from government-to-government discussions, but also in company-to-company discussions, more joint ventures, more public-private partnerships.
As China is coping with continued economic slowdown, questions have been raised whether Beijing remains committed to those landmark products reached on last year's summit. This time around, China reiterated its promise, saying that all the deals reached last year must be put into action within the next 3 years.
Unlike Western countries' financial assistance to Africa, China depends on business investment to help Africa build the much-needed infrastructure and reduce poverty. Chinese Foreign Minister stressed on Friday that aid is only a minor part of China's Africa policy. During the meeting in Beijing, new deals were signed worth $18 billion. More than 80% of that comes from direct investment from Chinese companies.
When using this money, the Chinese side is very careful to assess the potential risks of the projects. We will work together with Africa to ensure the safety of the investments, because if the projects fail to deliver profits, they will end up becoming a debt burden for Africa.
Ambitious investment plus careful implementation, China says it's found a new model of South-South cooperation with African partners. Peng, CCTV, Beijing.